Hey, it's Tom from Tom's Tunes. This is the before video of this 1996 Sun Cruiser. Is built by OMC, Outboard Marine Corporation, way back when. They made some boats along the way. It's got carpet, it's got old style railings. That's all going. It's getting vinyl flooring, new railings. We're in the middle of the tear down on this, so if we come around the side, you can see in older style consoles, wood. It's gonna rot out eventually, so that's getting replaced with a new console. Back seat, we're going to change the layout completely on this boat. It's going to have a new modern radius, so 30-inch radius front corners with a front corner seat and bench. It's going to have an L couch. The driver's seat will be here. There'll be room for storage. This boat is going to be a complete transformation. Hey, we're back with that old pontoon looking brand new. So what we did here, brand new 50 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury. We gave the pontoons a little acid wash, brighten them up a little bit. We have the new black railings from DeckMate with the accent panel. Remember, this deck is only about 16 feet long, but we can still get this beautiful look on a small boat too. We did a wider radius front corner, LED navigation lights on the wall, LED headlights or docking lights on the wall, stainless steel cleats, new deck trim from pontoonstuff.com. Kind of helps wrap up that whole new look. We're going to climb in and show you the inside and show you how much seating you can pack in a small boat like this. When you climb aboard here, you're going to see this brand new 8-foot by 8-foot heavy duty bimini. That's that all aluminum in black to tie into that black railing. We have the tan vinyl weave floor in here, which goes great with the ivory tan and beige seats. I'm going to show you in a second, but you can see we had custom snap-on seat covers made. Go to your local upholsterer to find out more information and pricing on that and to have them custom made for your boat. We're going to show you these seats, but wait, don't look. Okay, now you can look. We've got the ivory, tan, and beige seats that go great with that tan woven floor. We have the removable cup holders, armrest. They have a little cell phone holder. These are portable. I can slide them down the seat, or if I want to kick back and kick my feet up, I can just stow them away and they're out of there. That flows into our standard console with that same accent panel. We have our fire extinguisher for safety. And then we get, just like a big boat, we have a nice L lounging seat. So we have a lean back, a left lean back here. We have a 38 bench into a 28 corner and a 28 bench capped off with an armrest. Triangle table for the middle that's removable if need be. It gives great flow to get back to the back of the boat if you need to. The swim ladder is back here. We've got a great helm station for our captain. Low back helm chair with a sliding seat base. So we can slide forward or back depending who's driving. We have our Burrowwood steering wheel and our switch panel with our horn, nav lights, headlights, and then of course we can still pack in. Just because it's a small boat doesn't mean it can't have the fun stuff. This has the LED package under the seats too. Everything on this boat is brand new other than the pontoons, and that's where the value is. We rebuilt this from the bottom up to make it look and feel like a brand new boat.